Hey y'all, what's up? Gonna be Friday tomorrow and gonna go to bed a little late because I'm on my DS and playing with my Animal Crossing. Home designing. I've been designing up the ass. So next thing I'm gonna design is the restaurant. Let's see which one we want to take. Let's see. That one's fancy. That one's cool. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, I like that one. Let's see. Is there any more? I like the blue a lot. But I like this one lots too. That pretty blue pink. But if it's going to be a restaurant, I need it to kind of... Oh, I like this one. We're going to take this one. That's right. Let's get it. Okay. Okay. I don't know how many levels or... I mean, well, not how long this game could go for. But I don't have it online. I would like to be online with the DS. Okay, so now I'm going to have to work on my designing stuff. Let's see. Nope.